what's up, everybody? Here to share with you one of the more fun Christmas things we did last year, and I think you should check out for sure with your family this year. If you haven't driven on the Parkway, you'll see this around 117 or the PNC area, because this is at the PNC Arts Center. If you go, it's going to be crowded, so be prepared. Go earlier in the season, the better. But yeah, it was such a good time. I highly recommend it. They've got things like 12 Days of Christmas. They've got Christmas music blasting through your radio. They got opportunity for hot chocolate, seeing Santa, watching movies, a whole lot of fun stuff. So definitely check it out if you can.
We have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Shepherds, why this jubilee? Why your joyous strains prolong? What the gladsome tidings be, which inspire your helpless song? Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. See him in a mangle lane, whom the choirs of angels praise. Mary, Joseph, lend your aid, while our hearts in love we raise.